Hello and welcome to Fix and Drive. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Madness Autoworks GoPedal on your Alfa Romeo Giulia. This will also work with the Alfa Romeo Stelvio. So let's get started. For this install, all you'll need is the Madness GoPedal. See, it has the module with the selectors on it. Has two connectors, and it has double-sided adhesive on the back for mounting. So first we'll need to disconnect the connector from the accelerator pedal. You'll pull out with the connector while lifting up to disconnect it. Since I'll be using the phone app to control the pedal, I'm going to be mounting the module next to the trunk release latch. So now we'll connect the connectors to the car. We'll take the one that looks like the one originally connected to the accelerator pedal, and we'll hook that one up first. So you'll line up the connector and then push down while pinching in on the tab to secure it in. Then we'll take the connector that's attached to the car and we'll connect it to the female end of the GoPedal connector. So we'll line up the connector and once it's lined up, we'll push in while pinching in on the tab to secure it. Okay, so now we're going to tuck away the excessive wiring. So I like to use the plastic protective cover that's underneath the dash, and there's space where you can push the wire up between the cover and the carpet to tuck it away. So we'll get the wiring to sit on top of the protective cover. And we'll work our way across, tucking the wire up so that our feet don't catch it. And as you go across, there's carpeting that sticks up really high, and I'm going to tuck the wiring behind the carpet. This way it keeps it clean and out of the way so your foot won't catch it as you're driving. So after pushing all the wiring away, you'll notice the connector still sticks out, and it would catch if you're pushing on the accelerator pedal. So we're going to take the connector and kind of push it down between the accelerator pedal and the carpeting near your transmission tunnel, and it holds it down pretty good here and tucks it out of the way so that you don't catch it with the pedal. Okay. And with the car turned on, you're going to hold down the plus sign for 3 seconds until it flashes, and that puts the module in pairing mode. Once you install the app on your phone, open it up. And then click Connect Now and enter a passcode. Passcode is 000000. Click Pair, and once it's paired up, you'll get a screen that shows you all the different settings. You can put the car in race mode, sport mode, eco mode, and can turn the pedal on and off. So in race mode, you can hit the plus and minus sign to increase or decrease the sensitivity of the pedal. The higher it is, the more sensitive the pedal, the more responsive it becomes. Click Settings and go to Software Update to make sure that your app is the current version. And then you're good to go. Okay, so that's how you install the Madness Autoworks GoPedal on your Alfa Romeo Giulia or Stelvio. It's a pretty fun addition to the car. It makes the pedal very lively and responsive. It pairs very well with the race mode and would come in handy if you want to autocross your car. or if you just want to drive in a very spirited manner. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'd love to read your comments below. Thank you, stay safe, and God bless.